I'm still zoning in on my panning skills. It's going. That's.
Damn, Mom.
No.
Come on, Mom, keep panning. Come on, Mom.
And then you're gonna say, "Damn, Mom."
Come on,
when
Mom.
you farted. Hey guys, so check it out. Look what I got running. The Toolbox Sluice by Backyard Prospecting. So I've had some requests from a lot of the community that I need to start prospecting. They want to see some gold. So we're going to start prospecting here. And this is my first time doing this, so I don't feel so confident yet until I actually get into it, start working it, and learn the system. So I wanted to do a big shout out to Banshee Mining. Julie, thank you so much for the Toolbox Sluice for Christmas that we got. I really appreciate that very much. Me and Isabel are going to have a lot of fun. And then I want to shout out A3 Skywalker, Richard. He had a 300 sub giveaway, and I won a bag of Paydirt, and this came from Bobby in the basement, and he's got a bag of Paydirt for me here, and I'm gonna Toolbox Sluice this one first. And this is 5+ grams of gold, silver shot, crystalline coins and gems. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, let's see if I'm gonna get any of this right. As the community knows, I'm a nice big dork. We'll see how well I do first time I'm doing all this. We're going to open this up and we're going to classify it first before we get to the Toolbox Sluice. Oh, it's opened up here, guys. And I don't know my mesh numbers yet. I don't think it says it on here. It doesn't. I don't know what number I'm using here, guys. But 1/4 inch. There we go. Oh. Okay. This is Bobby in the basement, guys. This is his Paydirt. Alright. So we are going to attempt to put this into the cup here so we can wet it down and use it in the Toolbox Sluice very shortly. And I'm not going to get it all out right now. You can tell it was a little wet. I had to wash it. So not everything is going to come out just yet. We'll worry about that in a bit. I hope everybody's having a really great day. Everybody's laughing and smiling. That's what we like to see in our community. And I'm hoping, with our thoughts and prayers going out to Rob at Rocky Mountain Life Prospecting and to Julie at Banshee Mining, that they're all healing really well. Alright, here's our cons. Super cons. Paydirt bag. Alright, we're going to put this back in here. I'm going to show what we got here. look at these coins, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this little tiny thing. I can't see without my eyeballs on. I can't see with my eyeballs on. Well, I see a Wheatie in here. Oh, these are the coins. Let's see what we got here. It's a 1959 Wheatie. Ooh, that one you can barely see. 1946 Wheatie. $19.56. That's what it looks like, guys. Well, that won't focus in. So, I think it's 1956. Wheatie. 3 pence, 1942. Very nice. Oh, that's a gorgeous coin. We have a one. I believe that would be a 1 cent piece. I don't know what that is. We'd have to do this later in the wrap-up. Identify him. Oh, wow. It says Liberty. And I believe this is a token. Very nice. 50 colones. You guys can help me out with that. Beautiful. This looks heavy. That's beautiful. 1997, República de Costa Rica. And this little thing, this is really nice. Wow, Bobby, you really hooked it up. I can't read that right now and I won't attempt to. We'll get that in the wrap-up. Very, very nice. Oh, look. Oh, look at this. That's pretty. Pretty stuff there. Okay, guys. Now, let's get to the goods. Here's my super concentrates right here. Hang on a second, I'm gonna get some water. I'm gonna wet this down. Come on, guys. It's my first time doing this. I don't even know how much water to put in this. So, definitely comment down below and let me know what I could be doing differently. Give me some pointers. What I can do. I know I have to get this nice and wet. There we go. I love you guys' opinions, advice, and suggestions. Oh, look at there. Really pretty. Okay. Alright, here we go, guys.
You want to throw some jet dry in there and get the bubbles out of the mat.
Yes, thank you.
Yep.
Thank goodness for Jordan. He's my cameraman today. Okay, so
Just throw it anywhere in there just a little bit and let it circulate.
I put 4 drops in there.
Hear the change in the water?
Oh, I did. Alright, I put 4 drops in there. Don't know if that's good. You guys let me know
Put like
too.
4 more drops in there just to be safe.
Well, then it'll foam up really bad.
Will it?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
If I put too much. I've seen that happen.
Okay, now we're gonna want to let it circulate a little bit.
And then I also want to work the air bubbles out. Okay, I see the air bubbles working out. I do see an air bubble or 2 in there. Looking pretty good, guys. This is fun. I haven't even got started yet and it's already fun. Maybe you are right. I'm gonna have to put a couple more drops in. I don't even see any. Oop, I think that's good. I mean, my goodness. Alright. What do you guys think? You think it's about time I start scooping in? Alright, here we go. My very first scoop ever into my Toolbox Sluice.
Oh, looks like you got a picker already.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
There's your half gram. It's pretty cool. Oh wow, look, there's your silver, some of your silver
Silver shot.
silver shot.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Awesome. I'd say that's a pretty cool Paydirt bag. Already getting some good stuff in there.
Wow, Bobby, beautiful. Thank you again, once again, to Richard at A3 Sky Warrior. If you are not subscribed, go check out his channel and hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And then Bobby in the basement. This is his Paydirt bag right here. You'll want to go to his channel, and if you're not subscribed, go smash that like button. Check out some of his content as well. Subscribe to his channel. And man, he's got a mean Paydirt. That's nice. I'm gonna have to, I can already tell I'm gonna have to get a better classifier so I can get some of these bigger pebbles out of here. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Beautiful stuff coming out of this shovel. What do you think, guys? Am I doing pretty good? Comment down below, let me know. First time here. Ooh, look at that pretty shiny. Oh, we love gold, guys. It's almost heart-shaped. It's really pretty. That flow is perfect, too. Alright, getting to the end of the cup here. Alright. Oh, this is relaxing and exciting. And I want to thank Big Daddy at Backyard Prospecting for creating this wonderful toolbox sluice. It makes it so nice. Oh. This here. Swirl it around a little bit. Dump this in here. Oh, I could find another silver shot. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, you can see that gold holding up in that sluice. Wow. All that gold right there, guys. Alright guys, and there you have it. Now we'll get to the cleanup. Check that out. Beautiful, Bobby. Beautiful. Thank you, A3, Richard. Thank you, Bobby. Thank you, Backyard Prospecting. Thank you, Banshee. Yeah. Now for the cleanup. Okay guys, so on the wrap up from Toolbox Sluicing Bobby in the Basement's Paydirt bag, this is what we got for the coins. This is the 1942 3 pence, and the 1997 Costa Rican 50 colones, a 1 cent piece Asian coin. This right here is a token, 1886 to 1986, Sears celebrating Sears New Century, a 1939 Wheatie, a 1946 Wheatie, a 1956 Wheatie, and last but not least, we've got the American Prospector Rising Sun 1 gram 999 fine silver. This was really neat. See if I can show you guys better. USA 2012, the American Prospector, 1 gram of silver. So there's the coins. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Bobby. And this out now. This is the silver shot and the gold. And we'll be back to do that. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, so now we are at the final stage. We've got this pan right here of the silver shot and the gold from Bobby in the Basement's Paydirt. And we are going to pan this out. Jordan's my cameraman again. Isn't that cute little pan? My first cute little pan. Get the rest of this separated here.
You want the gold to stay in the pan, Mom, not the sand. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Gold right there.
It looks like kind of like flour gold. It's something pretty. It's hard to tell. It's not yellowish like pure gold, but it could be something kind of mixture.
Oh, that's the crystalline.
Yep, it's like crystalline gold. It looks like. Try to get a shot of that. Not all gold is yellow, apparently. I believe that is a thing.
I'm still zoning in on my panning skills. It's going. That's.
Damn, Mom.
No.
Come on, Mom, keep panning. Come on, Mom.
I mean, you're gonna say, "Damn, Mom."
Come on,
I mean,
Mom.
you farted.
What are you talking about? I'll take the heat, Mom.
What?
I'll take the blame. It's okay.
Isabella, who was that?
Oh my god, that was totally Jordan. Oh my god. Get out of there.
This stuff is. Oh, I know why. Because I never seasoned the pan first. It's all so slippery.
Oh.
It's a brand new pan, and it's just flying everywhere.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
You didn't put any seasoning in the pan?
Well, I didn't
I
put
don't know
no
what to tell you
seasoning in the
there.
pan. And it's just. Yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks.
So.
There's our panned concentrates.
Yep. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to leave this video just like this. I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to save this on the table untouched. And I would like to get some comments from you guys on what to do with this to separate it, because I'm still too new to figure it out. It is way too slippery for me to hit one side or the other. So it's brand spanking new pan. So there we have it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Go check out Prospector Paul. Go check out Bobby in the Basement. This Paydirt belongs to Bobby in the Basement. And go check out A3 Sky Warrior.